Obviously, you're going to pop your trunk. And there's these little flaps that are located right there. As you can see this flap, I'm just going to pop it out. There's no tools at all required. It just opens up just like that. So real simple. And then this plate, there's a little screw right here. You're going to loosen that, and this plate will pop out. And you see this little clip? So we've got to undo that clip. And it comes right out. The whole thing comes out just like this. And your bulbs, as you can see here, are all on this little plate. Okay, so this is a dual element here. We're going to pop that one out like so. And then we'll replace it with this. And you always want to wear a glove so you don't mess them up. Alright, there we go. So now we'll just hook them back up. So you're going to slide it up from the bottom, just right back into the top. It's really easy. And we'll get that all lined up there. Like so. Make sure that, you know, this little area here around the trunk liner is not in the way. Then you just do that little screw. Now that's tight in there. And then you've got your pin connector right here. That's going to snap in place like so. Make sure that's tight. And you're good to go. And then put your little flap in. All done. Pretty easy.